Hey guys, it's Earl and Brian here. Today we're just going to take a quick look at the Powerhouse Racing cam and crank Hall effect sensor kit for the JEZ engines. This will work for either a VVTi or a non-VVTi configuration. The trigger wheel count is different on the two motors, but it works fine for both applications. Now, these can be used with all aftermarket ECUs. They are powered by a 12-volt ignition signal, and they use sensor ground. So these are nice sensors to replace the VR sensors with because they're less susceptible to noise, and instead of working off a voltage threshold, they're triggered by the actual points on the trigger wheel. So it's a more clean, square, consistent wave signal that the ECU sees, and there's no maximum or minimum RPM for them to create a signal, so it's a really nice addition to your high horsepower JZ.